In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Maps with our Easy 2025 guide. Whether you're a seasoned user or just getting started, this guide will help you navigate effortlessly. To begin, you'll want to open up the Apple Maps app on your device. This is your gateway to a world of easy navigation and exploration right at your fingertips. Once the app is open, the first thing you'll typically want to do is search for a location. Simply type in the name of the place or address you're looking for in the search bar at the top of the app. Apple Maps will quickly provide you with a list of suggestions and results. After you've found the location you're interested in, tap on it from the search results to see more details. Now, let's get you to that location with some step-by-step directions. After selecting your destination, tap the Directions button. This feature is incredibly handy for real-time navigation, as it guides you to your destination with turn-by-turn directions. Here's a little tip. Pay close attention to the helpful voice prompts which allow you to keep your eyes on the road. The next step is selecting your mode of transportation. Whether you're driving, walking, taking public transit, or cycling, choose the option that suits your needs so that Apple Maps can provide the most accurate directions. As you navigate, you can switch the map display to either a 2D or 3D view. The 3D view adds a bit more depth and realism to your navigation, helping you better understand the surroundings. And if you need to get a closer look, just use your fingers to pinch and zoom in or out on the map. It's a great way to get a more detailed look at where you are and where you're heading. If you're in a new area or just looking to discover something new nearby, Apple Maps lets you explore places around you with ease. You can also take advantage of the Look Around feature, which is Apple Maps' answer to Google Street View. This option allows you to virtually explore streets, giving you a street-level view of the area you're interested in. Traffic information is another valuable feature of Apple Maps. The app provides real-time traffic updates, and it can automatically adjust your route based on conditions like accidents or road construction, ensuring the smoothest possible journey. Finally, if there are locations you visit often or want to save for future reference, you can easily add them to your favorites. Just search for the location, tap the share button, and select Add to Favorites. This feature ensures that your most used destinations are only a tap away whenever you need them. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to making the most of Apple Maps in 2025. With these tips and features, I hope you're now ready to navigate your world with confidence. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and safe travels.